The first step in the processing line is cleaning and dehydrating the rice bran. Impurities such as husks and dust are removed through screening and air aspiration techniques. Dehydration follows. Next, the cleaned and dried rice bran undergoes flaking, a critical step where it is pressed into thin flakes. Flaking increases the surface area, making it easier for solvents or pressing machinery to extract the oil efficiently. The flaked material is then either subjected to mechanical pressing or solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, screw presses apply high pressure to squeeze out the oil. After extraction, crude rice bran oil is refined to remove impurities like gums, waxes, and pigments. This involves processes such as deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Each stage employs specific equipment, including centrifuges, filters, and steam distillation units. Finally, the refined oil is filtered and packaged for distribution. Throughout this entire process, precise control over temperature, pressure,